Hey guys, welcome to another Paint With Me session. If you're a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome back. You know who I am, you know what I do. But if you are a new viewer, you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel for the first time. Join the family, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'm an artist and in this video, I'm going to attempt renewing this old shoe. Please have it in mind that I've already prepped it and everything. So let us get straight into it. I have here with me tailor's chalk, a few brushes and the smallest tip to be precise, and of course acrylic paint in white color. Having done that, I'm just going to head straight into the paint. I don't want to tell you guys what design or what kind of print I intend on painting yet, so you guys are going to use your head and figure it out in the comment section. If it eventually makes sense to you, then let me know what you think it is in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next week. Bye.